The northern province of Ninh Binh is hosting this year's National Tourism Year with the theme Hoa Lư, Thousand-Year-Old Capital, with the entire tourism industry making all-out efforts to stimulate domestic demand and prepare to welcome international visitors again in the new normal. The successful organization of this campaign is expected to make a positive contributions. As such, the province is ready to make activities to take place throughout the year.
This group of more than 70 people from Ho Chi Minh City has chosen the Chang'an complex in Ninh Bình province as the destination for their weekend trip. This is a highly popular destination with thousands of visitors coming every week after a long break due to the pandemic.
The scenery here is really beautiful and natural. When we came here, we felt very relaxed.
Among the 38 major activities that will take place in the province during the campaign, the Tam Cốc Chang'an and Cúc Phương Tourism Weeks are two major highlights, in addition to more than 100 activities in 27 provinces and cities nationwide. This April, the Hoa Lư Festival at the special national relic site of Hoa Lư ancient capital, along with the Chang'an Festival in Bai Ding Pagoda, will kick off a series of exciting cultural activities.
Through our team of tour guides, visitors will learn many interesting facts about the Hoa Lư ancient capital.
We have implemented strict pandemic prevention measures at tourist destinations, particularly the 5K recommendations of the Ministry of Health, as well as prepared the best conditions to welcome visitors in the coming months.
With diverse types of cultural, ecological and historical relics, Ninh Bình province has developed an excellent network of services. This year, the province is expected to welcome 7 million tourists.